How to connect Google Authenticator with Binance 2fa. After you open up now your Binance app like this now go to this menu at the top left side. After you come to this menu, now go to this profile. From this profile, go to security. Now from the security, here is it Authenticator app. So tap on this Authenticator. Tap on this enable button. So all you have to do now, tap on this copy to copy this code. After you copy this code like this now go back and open up your Authenticator app. Just go to Play Store or App Store and search for Authenticator. After you search for Authenticator or Play Store or App Store, just tap on it. Here it is now. After you install it, tap on this open button. It will ask you to use your Gmail account to sign in. After you sign in using your Gmail account, just tap on this plus button. So tap on this enter a setup key. So now paste in the key that you copy in this option now. Then press your hand and paste it. From there, now in this option now you can give it the name. Give it the name, like type in Binance in this option. So now give it the name. Here is it now. Now paste in the key in the second option. After you paste in the key in this option, now tap on this add button. So now if you scroll to down, you can be able now to see it. Here is it now, Binance. So now copy the code, long press your hand. After you copy the code, now go back to the Binance. After you open the Binance app like this, now tap on this next button. So from this option now, go ahead and paste in the code that you copy. So tap on this one, tap on this copy, paste. So here is the code, tap on the submit button. So now here is the authenticator on my Binance app. If I tap on this back arrow, so now I added the authenticator on Binance. That's it guys. Please like and subscribe.